Virginia Beach, Virginia. We're in front of a house right now with Shinyi Telsher, one of my Owners Club members. Awesome gal. She bought this property Subto, 3.125% interest rate. She went from a co-living property over to a midterm rental, and now she's switching to a master lease. These are great lessons you need to learn. What are those 3 different strategies, and why should you choose one or the other? Today in this vlog, we're going to be going over to a meetup last night in Raleigh, North Carolina, one of the coolest meetups ever. We had probably 15 deals get done. Oh my gosh, I pray tonight we get more deals. Go to creativenationtour.com, join us on the tour. We have about 60 more stops to go. Oh my gosh. Are we tired yet, Adler? Adler says he's not tired. And if you've been enjoying this vlog, please give us some love down below. Share this with your friends. Say, these guys are crazy. You should watch what they're doing. Virginia Beach, Virginia. I've never been here before. My wife and my kids went off and went to some pilgrim thing. I own a Subto deal here.
Where?
I don't know. Hold on a second. Let me pull it up. I do own a Subto deal here. Okay, so I own property here in Virginia Beach. I just don't know where it is, so we might stop by that property as well. Here's what I want to teach you guys today. Shinyi decides, hey, I don't want to cold call, door knock, etc. I'm really good at structuring deals, buying deals, and managing deals. I'm just going to buy a deal from a Subto wholesaler in our community. So this wholesaler, Ryan, finds Shinyi in Subto, says, I've got a great house, could be a good co-living property. Do you want to buy it? Shinyi says yes. Now, here's what the journey is that she went on. She bought the property originally thinking it's a co-living property because it has 5 bedrooms and it's all ADA compliant, which is essentially wheelchair accessible or handicap accessible, elderly accessible, okay? And she goes, wow, this has a ramp, this is cool, I could do a whole bunch of things with it. She starts out with co-living and decides, I hate co-living. I'll tell you why most people are gonna hate doing anything is because you have to do extra work to manage 5 different tenants. It's like managing 5 different houses, but you're only getting the income from one house. Who wants to do that? This is why I always suggest using pad split when you're managing your property, because what will happen is if you don't use pad split, they collect the rents, they find the tenants, they manage certain things, they make your life easy. You will ultimately say F this and switch to midterm rental, which is what Shinyi ultimately did. So co-living, for people that don't know, is the same thing as pad split. Co-living is cookie, pad split is Oreo. Same thing. It's just co-living branded at the highest possible level. Pad Split is a company that you go through, they manage all of your stuff, they're incredible. Splityourpad.com to go and learn more and see properties I even own on there I'm renting by the room. Let me sit. Oh, what up, dude? How far is it from your house? Look at that jacket, that's insane.
Maria.
Hi, Maria.
Pleasure to meet you. You're a legend.
I'm just an idiot.
You're a legend.
Good to see you guys.
Likewise.
What's up, Xavier? Good to see you, brother. What's up, boys? How you doing? Good to see you guys. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you. What's up, John? How you doing? Good to see you guys. Wow, look at this. This is so great. I have never once done a deal where I took something from a seller. And I shouldn't say that. When I first started out and I was doing primarily cash transactions, the only way to make money in a cash transaction is to take equity out of the seller's pocket. That's it. And if anybody has an argument about that, please let me know. You're an agent. If I'm an investor and I come to your seller, in order for me to make money, I have to reduce my price to your seller. That's the only way I can make money. Okay? And so your job as an agent is to protect your seller from me, because I can't feed my family unless I take food off your seller's plate, which ultimately takes food off your plate. And her plate. And her plate. And I had an attorney who was one of my mentors in 2013, and he says to me, he goes, once you learn and understand creative finance, you will feel like you are like an X-Men, or you'll feel like you're on the Avengers. You'll feel so powerful because you'll be able to get the agent the full commission that they're deserved. You'll be able to get the seller the full number she wants or they want, and you'll make more money than you would on a cash transaction. And I started learning this and I got obsessed. But the reason why I think creative finance really made a lot of sense for me is because I can just solve more problems. And I love solving problems. That's it. It's as simple as that. And I don't ever consider myself a closer. I consider myself somebody that just cares more about the seller than anybody else. And so that seller we talked to this morning, I was like, I'm gonna treat you like you're my mom. I'm gonna treat you like you're my wife or even my sister. And I'm gonna make sure that either I'm the best fit for you or I'm gonna push you in the right direction that you're gonna find the right fit. Hey guys, where are we at? Virginia Beach, oh my gosh, what a crazy good meetup. People got connected like crazy. I had a lady come up to me, she goes, Pace, I've been following you for 3 years. I've never taken action and I've been afraid to come out to a networking event, but you got me out here with this 100 days, 100 cities. If you're willing to do that work, I just had to come out. And she filled up her sheet with 16 new connections. Pretty freaking cool. From her all the way to multiple people I saw trading deals, selling deals, funding deals. Virginia Beach did not disappoint. Shout out to Tiffany. Shout out to Stacy. Shout out to Xin Yi. Shout out to Heather. And shout out to Conrad, who gave us that space that he grew up in that used to be a grocery store he turned into a gym. Pretty freaking cool. It's amazing how leaders all rally together and get these meetups done. I hope you guys learned a couple of things from our little rant in the car earlier. And I hope you guys learned some lessons that we said at the meetup. I don't know what we're gonna end up using. I don't know what the team is gonna condense. What's our average vlog? Like 12 minutes, 8 minutes?
Anywhere between 10 to 15.
Okay, 10 to 15 minutes. I mean, we filmed today for a couple of hours, so I don't know what they're gonna use, but I hope you guys got value out of it. If you did, make a comment down below. Let us know what you got so our editors can improve and improve and improve and improve your life in the process. If I had to start all the way over in Virginia Beach or Norfolk, Virginia, or the 7 cities, it sounds like there's a lot of fix and flips going on. There's a lot of older homes, a lot of history, and so there's a lot of houses that need to be turned over. And I'd say about 30% of the audience today were doing fix and flips. And so for me, I'd probably go on creativelisting.com and I would buy a flip. I would fund it with my investor loan, so I have no money out of pocket. I would do that fix and flip and I'd make $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 in probably 100 days. Now, that doesn't get me today money, right? I need some today money. So what I would probably do is I would join Stacy Thomas's wholesale crew and I would probably be wholesaling with her while my fix and flip was running simultaneously. I'd be double dipping and working both strategies simultaneously. So I'd get some smaller chunks of money, but in 90 or 120 days, I'd get a big chunk of money. Come out and see us. Tomorrow we're gonna be in Richmond, Virginia, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. No, I'm sorry. Pittsburgh, then Cincinnati, then Buffalo, then New York City. I can't freaking believe I'm going to Buffalo, New York, that's where Niagara Falls is. Come out, see us, Creative Nation Tour. Shout out to our sponsors, Pad Split, splityourpad.com, Prime Corporate Services. Get your LLC with them. Start with prime.com. And we'll see you guys in the next city.